In this video, I'm going to show you a Squarespace email marketing tutorial step by step. In this complete tutorial, where I will show you exactly how to create a website and launch your first email campaign using Squarespace. You will find the link in the description below, so go ahead and click on it and follow up with me. So, whether you are building a brand, starting a business, or just exploring, this guide is for you. This is pure value from creating your account, customizing your website, to setting up your first email list and sending campaigns. So, now when you click on the link in the description, you will be redirected to this web page. This is the interface of Squarespace. So if you have an account, just click on login. If you don't, just go ahead, click on get started. This way you will create a new account and start from scratch. So go ahead, click on it. Then you will be redirected to this web page. So just choose what is your site is about. You can choose from these options. In my case, I am going to choose art. Then click on next. Then after that, just choose what do you want to do with your website. Let's say, for example, you are going to publish a blog or you are going to sell a product. And then after that, just click on next. And as you can see here, you have two options to choose from: to build a template or to choose a already built one by Squarespace. In my case, I am just going to choose a template. This way it's easier and without having to do so much time. From here you can choose the design and the colors as you can see below. So just click on start, then give it some time. Then to create your account, you can continue with your Google account. So go ahead and choose it. And after that, you will be good to go. You can now start creating the email campaign and you have registered your account. So as you can see, this is the website you just created. If you scroll down, you will find the components of your website. You can also select mobile view to see how it looks on mobile. And you can edit your website before publishing a campaign. For example, you can double click on it and edit it. Now, the important step is to create an email campaign by clicking on email campaigns right here. And from here, you can see the list of campaigns you can create. So these are the kind of emails you can create with Squarespace, from newsletter, discount, promotion, to a thank you automation and welcome automation message. These are different from the first campaigns. So let's go select the welcome automation. This will help you collect email addresses of clients that you will be sending campaigns to. So you can choose at the left, welcome to new subscribers, or to offer a discount. Let's say, for example, you choose welcome to new subscribers. And as you can see at the right side, these are the steps your client is going to take. The client will subscribe and sign up to your site with his email, and then they will automatically receive an email from your website. This is automation. Now let's go back to manual. Now just go back again, click on email campaigns, that's located at the left. Now let's go create a new email campaign. Let's say, for example, we are going to choose the promotion campaign, or you can choose whatever you want from here, newsletter or discount. So I am going to just choose the promotion. Now just give it some time to load. And after it loads up for you, you can see here that this is the email that you will be sending. You can choose the email background from here, the color, as you can see. You can choose whatever color you want. Then you can choose the content background. So go ahead, click on it. Then just choose it from here. And you can also choose the font you want the text to be in. So go ahead, click on it and then choose the font. You can see that the font changes. So if we scroll down, all the text is changed to this font. You can also choose the font size and the color link. This is the link below that says explore what's new. You can highlight it and choose the color you want for it as well. Another option you can do is to quickly match your site by clicking on this, and then just go ahead to email by clicking on it, and here you can select the subject line. Let's say for example you want the email subject to be your site title, so go ahead, click on it, or you can type in whatever you want here. Now let's go ahead to email preview. Now if you click on this, you can choose the subscriber full name, first name, or your site title. You can type in the subscriber name and then click on apply. Now after that, you can choose the unique recipients. The recipients are going to be your clients. So go ahead, click on it. And from here, you can choose all the subscribers that you have. And if you don't have any, you can go ahead, click on mailing list and add them manually. Now, in the mailing list, you should have all your clients' emails and add them by clicking on add a mailing list, because you can't send emails without people to send them to. So we are going to go to our mailing list and create a new list that we can import emails to. So just give it some time to load. And from here you can see the clients you have. If you don't have any, just create mailing list by clicking on this and then just name it whatever you want. Let's say for example we are going to name it clients, then click on save. After that you can see here how many emails you have and subscribers. For now we have 0, but we are going to add them manually. Just click on add subscribers, and from here you can add individual ones or upload a list of subscribers. Then click on next. Here you can add their email. Let's say for example this is your client. Let's say you go ahead now and click on done. It won't let you because you need to make this subscriber accept marketing by clicking on this, then click on done. Now as you can see the subscriber has been added. You can add another one. So go ahead and choose the client you want and then do the same again by clicking on this and click on this again. So you can do this for every subscriber you want, because this is how to add them manually, or you can import the list. Now let's add another one. Let's name this chest. So this is going to be our chest email. Let's name him chest, and last name receiver. Now we are going to click on subscriber accepts marketing, then close it. Now our list of subscribers are ready. So you can see now that you have 2 total subscribers that you have added, and the mailing list has been created. So let's go back to our email campaign that we was creating. You can see here that all checklists are complete. You can also create a new campaign by scrolling down and creating a campaign by clicking on this, or we can go back to our draft and select the old one. So now we are going to click on drafts, as you can see here, and then choose the campaign we was working on. This is the campaign. So just go ahead, double click on it. Now, as you can see, you can click on this to delete it or to edit template. So let's go ahead, click on edit template. Now just give it some time to load, and you can come back to editing right away. So as you can see, this is where we left off before. You can go ahead and continue by clicking on unique recipients, and here if you create on mailing list, you will find your clients that you just added now. So Any mailing list you create, you will find it there. Now the next step you can do is to add your legal address. So it can be your business address or your home address. So go ahead and add it. So go ahead and fill in your information, your legal address, as you can see. Just make sure everything is written correctly, your city, and then the country you are from. After that, just go back. Now let's add in the sender details. These details are going to be the email you are going to send the campaign from. So go ahead, click on add, which is located at the bottom. Now, after you click on it, just type in the sender name that will be available to your clients. Then type in your email. After that, just go ahead, click on next. You can also add a custom domain email. And from here, just enter the email verification code that you have received. So go ahead, type it in here. And after you do that, you can go back, you can scroll down and click on send test. Now, if you can see here that you can't send the test, it's because you need to upgrade your plan. This feature is currently not available for free accounts. Squarespace will ask you to upgrade your plan. This is totally normal because the free version lets you design, but you can't actually send. Now let me show you how to upgrade. You can go ahead to the email campaign tab. As you can see, everything is good, but you have to choose a plan from here, because if you take a close look here, you can see that you have to get a plan to start sending. So now let's go ahead, click on choose a plan. Then you can also select the package you want. You can choose how many emails you want to send per month. Let's say, for example, you want to send 500, 5,000, 50,000, whatever you want. You can click on select. Then after that, you can choose to pay annually or to pay monthly. You can see the difference, $7 a month or $10 a month monthly. Let's say, for example, you choose this, click on confirm, and here you can type in your billing address, your full name, street address, city, state, and everything. So let's go ahead, show you an example. Let's say you choose your street address and you type in everything. You can click on I clarify a business if you have a VAT status, then click on next. And from here you can choose your payment information. How do you want to pay? There is a PayPal option, or you want to pay by card. So if you have a PayPal, you can just click on this and it will automatically link your PayPal account to this payment option. So after you are all done setting up your payment, you can pay and then start sending campaigns. Now, in order to do that, you can come back here and then just scroll down. And from here, you will find the email campaign you was editing in the drafts and choose it from here. You can also continue editing by clicking on this, or you can also delete it and create a new one. So if you want to continue, you can just go ahead, double click on the one you want, or click on edit and continue where you left off, as you can see. And after you pay, this option will be available for you to send a test. And that's about it. You just learned how to create a Squarespace account, build and customize a website, set up your first email campaign, and add a mailing list full of your customers. And I showed you how to upgrade your plan to actually send emails. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more, and drop a comment if you have any questions. We always make sure to reply. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck with your Squarespace journey. Whether you are building a personal blog or growing a business, I hope you create something amazing. Keep creating, stay inspired. This was a quick process. As always, thank you for watching.